Hello there, Aries! Merry Christmas, honey! So, yan, no, for today's content, yan, no, gusto ko muna kayong batiin ng Merry Christmas at sana, no, happy kayo today at sa mga susunod pa na mga days, months, weeks, years, decades para sa inyo, Aries. So, mainyo ang kapayapaan, no, at pag-ibig. Hindi lang ngayong araw ng Pasko, kundi sa mga susunod pa rito, no, na journey ng iyong life. So, titingnan na natin rito kung anong mga magiging kaganapan sa iyong January 2024. Woohoo! So, ayan mga babes, no, let's check your energy. Wala tayong gender here. Just take how this resonates. And of course, this is timeless as well. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can flip roles if you want. You can do that, honey. You're free to do that. Okay? So, let's do this. So thank you so much, Person Angel Guides, like Angel Michael. Can we get messages for my dear Aries, please, for the month of January 2024? Can you please show us? Let me shuffle them all bago natin simulan ang reading. Okay, you can skip the shuffling part. Okay. Mag-stop lang ako pagka, okay, nakakuha na ako ng go signal right here na ito na yung mga energies na ating i-read. Okay? Alright. This is for Aries. What do we have here for Aries for January 2024, please? Aries. Aries. Okay. Good. Aries. And then, shuffle na rin natin to. Tell me more about Aries. January 2024. This is for Aries. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, for being present here in this reading. Aries, someone here knows how to cook or love cooking. Doesn't have to be na as in chef kayo or what. Meron dito na pwedeng kayo nagluluto sa inyo or masarap kayo magluto, may talent kayo dyan. Okay, someone here connected to cooking. Pwedeng occupation ng iba or may business kayo, something to do with food. If hindi, it's okay. Forget this one. Okay, that's your first message in there. Okay. Aries. Tell me more, Spirits and Angel Guides. Aries, 2024, January. January 2024. Ano ang mga dapat na malaman ni Aries? January 2024, please. I'm seeing letter O and a triangle. Oh, like this. Okay. Pero yung triangle na nakita ko, it's color yellow. So whatever the case may be, wala namang pyramiding tayong nakuha. Or scam na nakuha dun, no? Pero whatever the case may be, I'm getting this kind of energy na pwedeng gumamit kayo ng ruler na triangle. Could be. Pero dun sa triangle na yun, na kulay dilaw, no? Actually, nakita ko dun is, alam mo yung nung elementary, di ba may pyramid and then may go, grow, glow foods. So whatever the case may be, it's something to do and connected with healthy. Tingnan natin kung choices ba yun, decision ba yun, ano yung something healthy na yan. Yan, no? Pyramiding do. wala akong nakukuha dito may mag-i-scam sa inyo. Okay, so let's take this one. So you do have here, Aries, this helpful people right here. Okay. You also have here the improving health. Okay. You also have here the yes. Wow. And you have here the not the right time, but their success. Okay. Something's better is coming your way. Okay. Maybe not what you expected, but there's something here better coming your way. You also have here commitment, honey. There you go. You could be seeing number 7. So I'm sensing adventure is also present here. We have here the mask, and at the bottom of the deck, okay, right, equality. You also have here justice. India. Yung iba sa inyo, just take how this resonates, no? Pero meron dito na either naghahanap siya or kasi parang ang nakukuha ko rito, gusto kanya rito mapasunod. Okay, mapasunod sa gusto niya kasi hindi ka nag-a-agree. So this person could someone be naniniwala no sa mga rituals, gayuma, or mga parang mga enchantments, mga ganun, mga chinachant or mga parang mga ano to, spells. Yan, no, which is I think this person here is actually crossing the line, no, crossing the line right here of your own free will. But I'm telling you, this person cannot hurt you. And this person cannot control you like a puppet, okay? May sabihin ko sa inyo. Sinapol ko to ulit kasi yun yung nakuha kong signal. So let me just do this. Okay. Oh. You have here this villain. Exactly. Because gusto mo na no? Gusto mo na dito ng peace of mind. Gusto mo nang kumawala sa isang sitwasyon. Pwedeng commitment na literal, kunwari love relationship, no? Like literally, I'm so done with it. Ayoko na nitong bagay na to. So, I'm not gonna do this. And this person here, hindi niya ma-accept rito, no? Na hindi ka rito sumasang-ayon sa gusto niyang mangyari. Sa iba, strong na ito ay involvement ng romantic relationship right here pero hindi na nga romantic kasi you're disagreeing. So this person here could be doing this desperately. Okay. Well, to me, kaya dito kahit hanapin nyo rito sa channel ko to mga babes, no, wala ko rito ng kahit na anong mga gayuma, love spells, or whatever. Doesn't have to be na hindi ko sinasabi na hindi yan totoo or whatever. Pero me as an energy reader, I do not believe in that. Kasi, nakukuha ko rito, okay, kaya nagkakaroon ng visa yung mga yan. Ano ba yung meron dyan? Ibig sabihin, yung tao, andyan yung pananampalataya niya. Ibig sabihin, pinaniniwalaan niya yan. Belief yan. At yun yung nagiging power kung bakit yan nangyayari. Okay? Pero dito mga babes, you have this strong personality right here. Like literally, meron kang sariling angels and spirit guides na nagpo-protecta sa'yo rito. This person cannot affect you. I'm telling you. But maybe you're already feeling this person here. Okay? Napifeel mo siya. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's why. Wow. Yung iba, parang ni ano kayo rito, no? Ang ganda. Nakita ko rito na if you're looking for new love or love life, no, yung parang isa sa gusto mong i-prioritize this 2024 but doesn't have to be, love life mo, Aries, is you're gonna meet here. Marami sa inyo, no? Ang makikilala ninyo rito, no? Ang inyong pakakasalan na person. Like, ito yung tao rito na excited kang ipakilala sa mga magulang na. That's what I'm sensing right here, Aries. Yan, no? I do not get, okay, na ito ay isang love at first sight, okay. Pero nakikita ko rito na itong tao na to, no, is bibigyan mo rito ng pagkakataon, no, na patuloyin siya rito sa iyong buhay, no, hindi lang sa puso mo right here, no. At dito nakikita ko, no, na meron ka ditong options. Yung iba doesn't have to be na ex mo, pero strongly, yes, no, para sa iba. Kasi meron ditong hindi makapag-let go sa inyo, hindi niya matanggap, ayan, no. Alam mo yung parang nanggigigil siya rito kasi hindi ka sumusunod sa gusto niya. Tumataliwas ka rito, no. And this person could be someone here, no, na hindi ko nakukuha na marunong siya ng mga ritual na yan. Pero yes, nagbabasa siya. Ano yung mga parang mga enchantments, no, paano pabalik rito yung person, yan, no. So, this person wants you back. Why? Dahil desperado siya rito. Yan, no? At ikaw, gusto mo na kumawala rito. So, pwede may nakipag-break na rito sa person na to. Doesn't have to be na recently or matagal na. It doesn't matter. Pero, hindi na kayo dito nakikipagtulungan sa kanya. If this is a past lover right here, like, I'm quitting. ayoko na, I want peace of mind, yan, no? Yung iba talagang gusto niya na makaalis rito, no, sa ganitong feeling, no? And this is you na parang gusto ko ulit magsimula. Di bali na kahit ako na lang magsimula ulit ng mag-isa, okay lang. With the adventure right here, nakikita ko, no, that this is your new journey here in your life, no? Like literally, yung iba sa inyo, hindi na kayo naging masaya sa relationship na yan. Yung iba, doesn't have to be na relationship yan or sa trabaho na yan. Hindi na kayo naging masaya. Parang hindi mo na nakilala yung sarili mo. Hindi ka naman isang puppet na maging sunod-sunuran lang. Na may sarili ka rin ditong emosyon, may sarili ka rin ditong pakiramdam, at may sarili ka rin ditong isipan, no? Yun, desisyon, may sarili ka ring desisyon dito. So, nakikita ko dito na nagsisimula ka mag-build dito ng something solid sa buhay mo with the Three of Rings right here. At makikita ko dito na meron ditong mga friends mo, like pwedeng mga, sorry, nagre-reflect sa light. Urong ko lang. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito ng mga friends mo yan, mga high school friends, mga ganun, or mga best friends mo dito, no? Pwedeng family rin yan para sa iba sa inyo, no? Yung iyong support na dyan, Aries, no? Pero nakita rin ako dito ng mga bagong magiging makakilala mo rito at nakikita ko na sila ay tutulong sa'yo. Yan. At alam mo kasi, nakakaloka, no? Feeling ko, kung ito ay past lover mo, kilala siya ng mga friends mo and family mo rito, no? At nakakaloka kasi, mainit yung dugo niya kahit dun sa mga bago mong mga makakakilala. Kasi pakiramdam niya, mas lalo nilang nilalayo ka sa kanya. You know what I mean? So, ganun na iniisip niya. Kasi halo-halo na eh, no? Alam mo, ang taong nag-iisip ng ganito, mga ritual, mga mga curse, mga voodoo dolls, no, mga ganyan. Okay, whatever the case may be. Desperate. But do not need to worry. You have your God. Okay? Okay, wala tayong religion dito. Okay, pero you have your God, you have your own faith right here. This person cannot hurt you. Okay? Hindi ka niyang papasunod dito. Tsaka ang strong ng spirit mo. Hindi basta-basta makakapasok ito, no? Kahit pa ganyan siya rito, no? Ka-desperado rito. This person is chasing you like a dog. That's what I'm sensing. So whatever the case may be, this person here is actually someone na hindi kayo binibigyan ng kalayaan eh, no? Na gawin yung gusto mo. So nakakasakal siya in short. Yan, no? Or kung katrabaho mo man ito or kasama mo sa trabaho or baka sa kumpanya pinagkatrabahuhan mo dati or business mo, no? Hindi kayo nagkakasundo, no? Laging gusto niya siya yung mas nagiging dominante dito. Yan, no? So, ayaw mo na ng ganun. Parang okay lang, sige, magsimula na lang ako ng bago kong business. Okay lang, sige, magsimula na lang ako ng buhay ko. Hanapin ko muna yung sarili ko kasi hindi ko na nakilala yung sarili ko yung nung nakasama kita. Parang ganun ka. Yan, no? Anong pelikula ka dyan? So, nakikita ko rito that you want here, no? Na something better. Spirits are saying, no, that there's something better. Okay? It's an assurance. There's something better here for you, guys, no? At maaring hindi mo pa makita yon sa January, pero maaring magsimula ng umikot or mag-turn dito ang events, no, in favor of you, Aries. Yan, no? Guaranteed success with exclamation point. Ibig lamang sabihin nito may success pero not the right time. Okay, pero ang nakukuha ko rito, meron ditong better opportunity. Merong better na trabaho, kung trabaho yan. May better ditong business, no, na dapat mo rito na pag-shift or parang mas gawing business kung business man yan mga babes na dinidil mo or yung iba kung relationship man ito, may tao rito, oh, you know, not the right time na makilala mo siya pero nagsisimula lang umikot yung wheel. There's something better here, no? At nakikita ko rito na meron dito mga tao na magkukunik-kunik, no, para makilala mo yan. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, merong mga tao kayong mga bagong connection na makikilala. Baka makilala mo yan, okay? Yang tao na yan, kung tao man yan, no, kasi your love life is also strong here, no? This is someone here that you're gonna marry. And this is someone here that's very healing, no? It's a yes. Alam mo, maaaring twin flame connection pa nga kayo dyan because we have here the yin and the yang. So, whatever the case may be, yung X dito, no, is may exclamation point here. So, you've got here two assurance already, 'di ba? That there is success in here, okay? And your situation will improve. Yan, no? Yung iba sa inyo, mag improve dito yung hindi lang yung peace of mind mo rito, kundi yung buhay mo in general. Masisimula mo na ulit na magawa yung gusto mo gawin, no? Wala namang bawal dun sa gagawin mo, pero ba't di ka pinapayagan, no? Bakit hindi mo pwedeng gawin tong bagay na to? Ang daming mga hindi mo maintindihan kung bakit hindi pwede, no? Yung, alam mo ibig ko sabihin, sa relationship, of course, dapat parehas kayo dito may balance. Sa relationship, of course, or sa partnership, kung trabaho man to sa iba, dapat there's balance here. Dapat you still have here your right, okay, na magsalita, na mapakinggan din at maintindihan, 'di ba? So ngayon nakikita ko no na makahanap mo rito yung sarili mo. So ang love life na ito is standing out actually 2024. Pero I think sa simula ng January, this is you mas mahahanap mo muna yung sarili mo bago ka tumawid rito, Aris, dito sa isang panibagong commitment na to. Alam mo, ang ganda. Kasi this adventure is not a simple adventure. As you can see, napapalibutan ito ng snow. Ayan, no? At nakasuot ka dyan, no? Ng panlamig. You have your hoodie and you do have here your beanie. Okay? And you are being surrounded here sa nag-yellow mga mountains. And you're on the top, honey. So whatever the case may be, success is really nagsusumigaw right here, no? Nagsusumigaw dito, ay, so may tagumpay dito, no? Yung buhay mo na akala mo nagiging blunt, no? Parang everyday ganito na lang, no? And you're dealing here with toxic people, toxic relationship, toxic work. It's changing, okay? It's changing, Iris. Yun yung nakikita ko rito. Hindi mo na kailangan, no, na magpanggap pa rito sa panibagong mundo na to, no? Hindi mo na kailangan rito na sumunod no, sa ibang mga tao or mag-pay attention. Doesn't have to be na sumunod. But yes, oo. Pero pwede rin naman no, na ikaw to no, na dito sa mundo na ito, no, na kinikreate mo for yourself, you're slowly growing. You're slowly opening up right here. Okay? Alam mo, akala ng ibang tao, no, charot-charot or joke-joke lang dito yung hindi mo nahanap yung sarili mo, no, tas mahanap mo yung sarili mo, no. Whatever the case may be, idiomatic expression yun. Kasi you've been stuck right here because of false love, because of something here that binds you with that work, di ka makaalis kasi dami mo ritong bayarin or dami mo kailangan na pagkagastusan. All of these things are changing. Maraming taong tutulong dito sa'yo. Itong new connections na to, mas magiging sila ritong healthy and I do get that, the triangle. It's healthy decisions in life. Like you're not going back. Okay? May mga tao ka pa rin nakasama mo noon like your family, genuine friends, best friends. Makakasama mo pa rin sila sa journey na to. Pero meron pa rito talagang mas mga makikilala ka na mas magpapatibay pa rito no, nang ginagawa mo rito ang bagong mundo, Aries. No? May triumph dito, honey. Especially, okay, ang gaganda. Kasi yung mga darating sa buhay mo, maraming tao yan. Pwedeng hindi sila sabay-sabay, okay? Pwedeng may mga mauna na ngayong January na mamimit ka, okay? Akala mo dadaan lang sila like literally, hi and hello, hindi. They're gonna stay. And you're gonna see that, okay? And these people will bring you to that love of your life. Yung iba sa inyo, Miss, paano naman yung kakonect namin ngayon na hindi naman toxic? Then, if yung kakonect mo ngayon, no, is meron diyang balanse na pagtinginan, I'm seeing you right here that you will be accepted right here sa kanya ritong mundo fully. What do you mean? Okay, this person here, kung hindi ka pa niya napapakilala sa iba niya pang mga kamag-anak at iba niya pang mga friends, I'm seeing you being accepted with those people. Like, yeah. Diba? So, yeah. Wow, Aries. Okay? You know what? A lot of miracles are waiting for you. Okay? Pero I think January is like you finding yourself, loving yourself even more, no? Mas mamahalin mo yung sarili mo rito. And I do feel like, okay, that in no time, like literally, okay, meron na rito, mas nakikita ko rito na mapapabilis yung pagkakakilanlan mo sa kanya. Kasi ganito yun eh, may ganito ako nakukuha rin dito eh. Pwedeng makilala mo na itong love of your life mo na ito, no? Para dun sa singles, kung wala pa kayo ngayon nakakonect, no? Mas makikilala mo siya rito sa January. I mean, makikilala mo siya sa January. Like, malalaman mo lang siguro yung name niya, no? Or magkakaroon lang dito ng first chit chat na hi and hello, no? Pero, nakita ko rito na mas makikilala mo pa na siya yung the one for you sa mga upcoming months. Sorry, dumighay lang. Upcoming months and mga susunod pa rito, no? Na mga kaganapan. Like, there's miracles right here. Alam mo yung miracles na nakukuha ko rito? Maaaring ito yung mga signs na hiningi mo noon. At makikita mo na nagsusulputan to. Yan. It's like this is you counting these signs like, uy, teka, dati hiniling ko yun na kapag nakakita ko ng ganito, isa yun sa sign na ito na talaga yung hinihintay ko. Yes, it is, honey. Whatever that sign is related to work, business, career, job, okay? Or related to your friendship, romantic relationship, connection, partnerships with other people, those signs makikita mo gamit ang mga visible eyes mo. Okay? So yeah, thank you so much, Aries. This is your reading right here for January 2024. Sarang Hail, Love, and Light. Annyeong.